In the last video, we learned how to update rows in a table. Now let us see how to delete one or more rows from a table. To delete rows, delete query is used. The syntax of delete query is delete from, mention the table name, and then give the condition for the rows to be deleted. Condition will be given again using the where clause. Let us see some examples. If you want to delete a single row, we can just run a query to delete from customer table where customer ID is 6. If we want to delete multiple rows, say if we want to delete all the customers who are less than 25 years old, we will write delete from customer table where age is less than 25. If you want to delete all the rows of the table, we will use delete from customer table and not mention any condition. Let us go to pgadmin and write these three queries. Now let us delete the customer with customer ID 6. We will write delete from customer table where cust ID is equal to 6. Let us run this and let us see the result. If you remember earlier we had 10 records. After deleting this one record, we should be having 9 records. So we have 8 records in the result because 2 customers had customer ID 6. Now, if you want to delete all the customers whose age is more than 30 years. So if we look at the data, customer with customer ID 1 and customer ID 8, customer ID 4, these 3 customers have age more than 30 years. Let us delete these 3 customers from our database. Delete from customer table where age is equal to is greater than 30. Let's run this. It ran successfully. Let us run the select query. You can see only 5 remain. Earlier we had 8. 3 customers had age more than 30. Now no customer has age more than 30. You can delete all the rows of this table. To do that, we will not specify any condition. We will just tell it to delete from customer table, and that's it. If we run this query, everything from the table will be deleted. Let us run it. Run the select command. You can see only column names are there. That's all what this table now has. It has no rows, no data in it. So that's how you delete data from a table. In the next lecture, we will learn how to change the structure of the table. Structure of the table is comprised of the columns, column names, all the constraints added to the columns. All these things constitute the structure of the table, and we will learn how to change the structure of the table.